Have you ever mixed two or more colors? What happens when we do so? Which color will form if we mix yellow and red? When yellow and red colors are mixed, we get the color orange. Different color combinations produce new and interesting results. Inks of different colors that are filled in pens and markers are also mixtures of different colors. Do you know which colors were mixed to make this black ink? Here's a fun fact. Black ink used in different ink pens, markers, and paints is in fact a mixture of different colors of inks, like red, blue, magenta, or yellow. So how did we get this black ink? This is where chromatography comes in. It will allow us to separate the colors, making up the black ink mixture. Chromatography is a method used to separate two or more substances that are soluble in the same solvent. Let's have a closer look. Have you ever accidentally spilled water on a paper with writing in ink? We observe different colors like dark purple or dark blue spreading away from the ink like this. Chromatography works a little like that. Let's look at the following experiment. To perform this experiment, we need a beaker, a strip of filter paper that is slightly longer than the length of the beaker, an ink pen or marker of any color, water, a pencil, and a ruler. Take a filter paper that is slightly longer than the length of the beaker. Draw a line about 2 centimeters from one end of the strip with the help of the pencil and ruler like this. Place a dot in the center of this line. Now, put some water in the beaker and hang the filter paper strip such that the lower end of the strip touches the water and the water level is slightly below the line. The ink dot is kept slightly higher than the water level to prevent the ink from dissolving in water. We observe that the water starts rising along the strip, carrying different colors to different distances. After a few minutes, when the water level travels up to a certain height on the strip, we observe that the black spot is separated into different colors at different distances. Did you know that different colors in ink are separated because all these colors are soluble in water? Moreover, if a component of a mixture is not soluble in the liquid in the beaker, it will not move along the strip. Other than inks, chromatography can also be used to separate components of dyes and paints. Chromatography is used in industries to purify or separate compounds from a mixture. It is also used in clinical and forensic labs to test the amount of different substances in a person's blood or urine. Time to summarize. Inks, dyes, and paints are mixtures of different colors. Paper chromatography is a technique to separate two or more substances soluble in the same liquid. The components of mixtures, like inks and dyes, can be separated by chromatography.